Oh hey buddy, today I'm gonna work on this 83. I know I said I was just gonna make it box stock.
Yep, you sure did. I remember.
But then I realized that I had
Wait,
this
what?
kit right here, this 2017. So I'm gonna
Okay.
go ahead and use a few parts out of this,
You always gotta fiddle.
put them in this,
All
you know what I'm saying, to kind of modernize some of it, but you know, it's basically gonna be stock, but
It's not gonna be
I'm gonna use
stock.
the seats, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna use the door panels, of course,
Those are some nice door panels.
and I'm gonna use the motor, you know, because I like how the top look, you know what I'm saying.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna paint this red.
I kinda get your vision. I see what you're saying.
But anyway, I like that. And I'm gonna also use these wheels.
Chrome though?
I'm not gonna keep them chrome.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
gonna semi-gloss black them. And yeah. So now let's kick this thing off. So like I said before, I'm gonna use these door panels.
Cha cha cha.
So since the original door panels are already, you know what I'm saying, already in place, I'm gonna have to cut those off. You know, light work.
Yep, light work. You got this.
So I just put the door panel on the opposite side
Okay.
and traced it. It don't have to be perfect. You know, a matter of fact, you know, the least perfect it is, you know what I'm saying, the better it is.
That was the dumbest statement.
You don't want it to be too perfect, too tight.
It just didn't make sense.
But you want to fit nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and trace this up, then I'm gonna cut it out.
What else? What kind of marker you got right there?
Using my fine point Sharpie, fine tip.
All right.
I did that on both sides. Got my rotary tool, my Dremel. Getting to work.
Yep. It looked like you about to cut your finger off.
Real simple. Clean up those edges. Get it looking nice. And test fit. Fits in there real nice, you know what
I
I'm
thought you said it's best if it don't fit in that nice.
saying? Alright, fast forward. So here's what it looks like now. You can't really tell, but that's carpet on the bottom. That red,
Tell it all.
just like the charcoal gray in the back.
The gray, the charcoal gray or whatever. The black.
I put the charcoal gray carpet in there to kind of break it up. There's too much red.
Yeah, there was a lot of red.
So I got the charcoal gray in the back and then the red in the front. I got the door panels all painted up. Got the seats painted up and got the dash painted up. There go the dash.
Ooh, I like the steering wheel.
There's still a few more things I'm gonna do to it. But that's what it looked like right now.
Good job, good job.
And those seats, what I didn't realize before I painted them was that they were sitting too tall for the inside of this car.
Somebody didn't do
So
their
I'm gonna either
homework.
have to take some material off the bottom of it or take that headrest off. I'll probably take the headrest off. I think that'll look nice. So yeah. Now I already painted the body. It's white. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell, but it's that white lightning, that one coat lacquer.
I could tell a little bit.
See stereophonic
Like,
sound
pretty
from
simple.
home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis
So you can
to
see
certain
the
sections of the
unpainted
orchestra,
part and the
as heard
painted
from those
part.
positions. Now, when played
Kind of
back
look the same, but you can kind of see some of the pearl in the car.
The
That's what
sounds
I
are
said.
blended together to achieve a new
I know you probably like,
impossible to
you know,
obtain in a monaural
Well, he
recording.
got a red and black interior.
Hey, I was
With a
thinking
white
that, but
body.
I was like, hey,
You know what I'm
so
saying?
do your thing, whatever.
I like different things. You know, I like what I like.
You saying a whole bunch of nothing right now.
I think you might like it once I get done with it.
We'll see.
But, you know, I don't know. Probably not, cause I do got a weird. I do got weird taste. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I got the red and black on the inside. I got the white body. I got the semi-gloss black wheels, and I'm working on some brakes. You know what I'm saying, with the red calipers. so they'll show through. You know, I think I'm gonna put some fender stripes on it too, though. You know, either red or black. I'll probably do black because I think I got some decals, you know, from another kit that I could cut down and
You mean like a
use them as those, you know, those fender stripes, like they have on the newer Camaros and all that.
Okay, I got you.
You know, so and they're on my windshield. I had dyed that, you know, back when I was at home.
Oh, you meant dye, like,
And
got it.
so it's a light tint, you know, a light little green to it. Look nice. I did that to the back, the hatchback too, but yeah, we supposed to play with that right
I
now.
don't like how that sounded.
Now keep in mind, I was just experimenting, so don't judge me too hard. You know what I'm saying? Now I was trying to make those anti-fog,
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
you know, those anti-fog strips or whatever, the defrost strips, whatever you call them.
What part? I know what you're talking about. Don't you?
And it worked. It's just that the tape that I used to mask it off, you know, on the ends, the marker kind of bled under there.
You should have just colored the whole
So
hatchback.
it kind of, you know, smudged or whatever. I should have used bare metal foil.
Nah, you should.
But it's good though,
because
because I was gonna smoke the headlights and the tail lights lightly. And I think when I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and dip that hatchback in there and kind of lightly tint that. Not too dark, but you know, just a light tint. And I think that'll clean up some of that. Hopefully,
that'll work.
you know. And I might even have the hatchback open. You know,
Just can't leave well enough
I don't know.
alone.
I ain't thought about that. I
Always
might do
gotta
that.
do stuff.
That might look
This
nice.
is supposed to be a box build.
But yeah. So this what we working with. You know
Parts
what I'm saying?
2017 and that.
Those
Now you go open the hatchback.
fog strips or whatever. They didn't turn out too good, but it don't look too bad either. So you know, I ain't mad at it. You know, it is what it is.
Oh, look at the time.
So
Guess I'm out of
you know,
here.
thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Yeah, what he said.